Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best 100-watt solar panel kits on the market right now. Whether you're gearing up for camping, RVing, or preparing for emergencies, these solar kits are built to keep you powered. Stick around as we break down their features, performance, and value to help you find the perfect fit for your needs. And as always, you can find product links in the description below. Let's get started. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Dokyo 100-watt 18-volt portable foldable solar panel kit. This lightweight and ultra-thin solar panel is all about portability, weighing just 5.9 pounds and folding down to a compact size of 18.9 by 26 inches. It's perfect for RV enthusiasts, campers, and anyone needing off-grid power on the go. With a high conversion efficiency, thanks to its monocrystalline cells, it delivers reliable performance, even in less than ideal conditions. In terms of design, the Dokyo panel is exceptionally user-friendly. It comes with a built-in PWM charge controller, offering intelligent protection against overcharging, reverse polarity, and short circuits. The inclusion of 2 USB ports makes it easy to charge smaller devices like phones and tablets, and the 9.85 feet cable provides flexibility for setup. However, while the panel is affordable and efficient, the build quality feels less rugged compared to some competitors, which may limit its durability over time. The Dokyo kit is a budget-friendly option for those prioritizing portability and ease of use. It's great for casual adventures and emergency situations, but less ideal for heavy-duty or long-term use. Pros include its lightweight design, decent efficiency, and USB charging capability, while cons include its relatively fragile build and lack of advanced features like waterproofing. At number 4, we have the HQST 100-watt 12-volt 9BB cell portable solar panel suitcase. This panel stands out for its use of advanced 9-busbar 9BB technology, which enhances durability and improves power generation efficiency to a solid 23%. The portable suitcase design makes it easy to carry and set up, and the included 30A PWM charge controller ensures compatibility with a variety of battery types, including lithium and lead acid. The HQST panel boasts a robust build with tempered glass, a sturdy aluminum frame, and IP65 rated water resistance, making it suitable for outdoor adventures and off-grid living. Its dual kickstands provide stability and allow you to adjust the angle for maximum sunlight exposure. However, at 22.6 pounds, it's heavier than some other models, which could be a drawback for users prioritizing portability. This product is ideal for those seeking a reliable and durable solar panel for RV trips, camping, or emergency power. While it excels in efficiency and build quality, the higher weight and slightly bulkier design might not suit everyone. Pros include its high efficiency, rugged construction, and versatile compatibility, while cons include its heavier weight and lack of waterproof connectors. Coming in at number 3 is the Zupwa 100-watt portable solar panel. This panel is a standout choice for campers and outdoor enthusiasts thanks to its premium ETFE coating, which offers excellent waterproofing and durability. With a conversion efficiency of 23.5%, it ensures optimal power generation, even in cloudy or low-light conditions. The kit also includes a 10-foot 4-in-1 solar cable and multiple USB outputs, making it versatile for charging both power stations and smaller devices like smartphones and laptops. The Zupwa panel weighs 9.48 pounds and features a foldable design with a magnetic handle, making it easy to transport. Its adjustable kickstands allow for quick setup and maximum sunlight absorption. However, while the panel itself is IP67 waterproof, the control box is not, which means extra care is needed in wet conditions. This minor drawback aside, the Zupwa panel offers excellent performance for its price point. This kit is perfect for camping, RV trips, and emergency preparedness, offering a great balance of portability, efficiency, and durability. Pros include its high efficiency, rugged design, and multiple output options. The main con is the non-waterproof controller, which could limit usability in heavy rain. In the runner-up spot at number 2 is the Renogy 100-watt 12-volt portable solar panel suitcase. Renogy is a well-known name in the solar industry, and this product lives up to the brand's reputation for quality. With grade A+ monocrystalline cells, this panel achieves an impressive 22% efficiency, ensuring reliable performance across various conditions. The 20A waterproof charge controller provides multiple layers of protection, including overcharge and short-circuit safeguards. Design-wise, the Renogy panel is both robust and portable. It features an aluminum frame, tempered glass, and a rugged canvas carrying case for added protection. The adjustable kickstands allow for optimal sunlight capture, while the alligator clip connectors make it simple to attach to 12-volt battery systems. However, at 26.6 pounds, it's the heaviest option on our list, which might be a downside for users looking for a more lightweight solution. This panel is a fantastic choice for those who value durability and efficiency over portability. It's ideal for RVers, campers, and anyone needing a reliable off-grid power source. Pros include its high-quality build, excellent efficiency, and reliable controller. The main con is its weight, which may limit its appeal to users prioritizing portability. Taking the top spot at number 1 is the Nanwin Solar 100-watt portable solar panel kit. This panel combines cutting-edge efficiency with a lightweight, durable design, making it the ultimate choice for outdoor enthusiasts and off-grid users. With 23.5% efficiency from its grade A+ 10BB monocrystalline cells, it delivers maximum power output while maintaining a compact and portable form factor. The ultra-thin 1.6mm tempered glass and reinforced aluminum frame make it both lightweight at 11.25 pounds and extremely durable. The Nanwin kit includes a 10A PWM controller, Anderson extension cables, and a 4-in-1 connector, making it compatible with most power stations and 12-volt, 24-volt battery systems. It's IP68 waterproof, meaning it can handle extreme weather conditions without breaking a sweat. The adjustable kickstands allow for easy setup and seamless sunlight capture, while the included carrying bag ensures safe transport. This all-in-one kit is perfect for campers, RVers, and anyone needing a reliable and portable solar solution. Pros include its lightweight design, high efficiency, and exceptional durability. The only con is its relatively higher price point, but the long-term value and premium features make it worth every penny. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this video helped you find the perfect 100-watt solar panel kit for your needs. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews and comparisons. If you have questions about any of these products, drop them in the comments below, and I'll be sure to get back to you. See you in the next one.